Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody had an amazing holiday. I know I did. I love this time of year because this is the time of year that I set my goals, set my intentions for the following year. And when doing that, I like to either write stuff down or I like to cut things out. So I decided I would do a vision board. And if none of you guys have ever done that, it's a really cool way of really setting goals and intentions. So if there's something out there that you really want, you basically put it on this board so you can see it every single day and remind yourself to work hard towards that goal. Basically, the vision board is the same thing as the law of attraction. Whatever you put out there is what you're going to receive. So not saying that if you put a car on this board, a car is just going to show up on your driveway. You actually have to work hard towards these goals, and you seeing this every day really helps you want it more, and basically your subconscious becomes your conscience and you just start working towards that goal. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of this before. They even have apps for it if you guys want to check out some of the apps. For me personally, I actually like to cut things out and paste them and put them in certain places because I've always been like that. I've always liked to just play with stationery and papers and cutting and just being crafty and being really creative. And this is definitely an amazing way of being creative with your own thoughts and your own intentions. So this is definitely something that you're gonna have fun with. You don't wanna have to be stressed over it. It's just something to just chill out, maybe have a girlfriend over, have some wine, or just do it on your own. I'm actually going to show you guys some of the cutouts that I have and how I paste it together. Hopefully this helps you guys also. So if you guys are interested in learning on how I created my vision board, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're going to need a couple things to start off. We're going to need some scissors, of course, some tape, and a board. As you can see, I've already cut out some magazine clippings. I put them kind of in order of like bigger, really small, small, and then just like random over there. And another thing you're gonna need is magazines. Look at all of these magazines I have. Holy smokes. I actually did not buy all these. I actually went on Facebook and asked in this group chat if anybody had any magazines they wanted to get rid of, and luckily one of the girls was so nice and gave me all of these magazines. I'm so excited because you guys, magazines are expensive. These are like $5 each. Some were like 10. I was looking at one, I was like $10. Are you freaking bananas? So yeah, so happy that these were gifted to me or given to me. Anyway, so these are all the magazines. What we're gonna do is basically just going to look through them and see what I like, and then whatever I like I will cut out and place, and then we can go from there on what would be next. Something I like to look for are either words or even names of companies that I would maybe want to work with. So for instance, Dior is an amazing company. I would love to possibly work with them or go to one of their fashion shows. So I'm going to cut this out. And when I cut them out, I don't actually go and make them really cute right away. I actually just put them to the side and fix them later. started to kind of organize on how I want to do this. So basically, like this on this side, I want to have my own home eventually, a family. I want to be a mom. Um, these are like things like I would love to create my own bikini line, maybe even sunglasses, fragrance line. I would love to be in Cosmopolitan, whatever that might be, like my own article, a photo of me, something. This is like I want to work more on my fitness, my wellness. So I also want to like read more. So I'm gonna kind of put this like on this side. And then for wedding, I'm gonna put on the family side. Kind of like on the family side. Just have it organized for myself. You could do it however you want, but this is just how I want it. Blessed, just because, read, no fear. Subscribe, that's going to be my YouTube. Under work, life, healthy, it's going to be on this side. Wherever you could just figure it out. Just try to have fun with it and see where it goes. You could always change it around. You can add more stuff. I also do like to leave spaces because that way, if you want to add more stuff to it, you always can. So I'm just kind of organizing it right now, and then you can like stick whatever you want. You can use glue, you can use tape, whatever. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna just kind of play with these and see where it goes, and then I will go ahead and show you guys after. I tried to print some cool quotes out, but my printer was being super annoying and not printing right. But some of the quotes are, no matter how you feel, get up, dress up, show up, and never give up. It's going to be hard, but hard is not impossible. What if I fall? But darling, what if I fly? Oh wait, I said that wrong. What if I fall? Oh, but my darling, what if you fly? I think those are so cute. I still might just use them even though they're kind of like messed up. It might go over like it with marker or something. But it's always nice to have quotes in there too and pictures. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. And I'm going to keep on working on it and I'll let you guys know, or I'll show you guys what the finished product is. Also, there's a cute other little quote. The only opinion that should matter when you look in the mirror is your own. Ain't that the truth? So I'm going to keep on working on this and yeah, show you guys the final result soon. Okay, so this is what I have so far. As you can see, there's still a lot of spaces, and I still might move it around a little bit. I haven't actually glued it down. I think I want to find more like pictures and then maybe put the words more on the outside or above, kind of like mingled in like that. So yeah, you guys get the idea. This is basically what I'm looking for. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and learned a thing or two. If you do create a vision board, I would love for you to tag me. I'd love to see what your goals are, your visions are, and we can all work towards our goals together. Let's make this a really awesome year and productive year. So here's to 2019, and I will see you guys next year. Bye, guys.